Hi friends, this video shows how to recharge mobile phone using this Qubo inflator. So first let me turn on this inflator. For that we can press and hold this power button. Just press and hold, then release. See, now this is on. Then let me take this USB cable, and here you can see two USB ports. This is normal USB port and this is a USB Type-C port. This is actually the input port, so we can use this port to charge this Qubo inflator. This is output port, so we can use this port to charge mobile phone. So let me connect this cable here. Okay, done. Then the other end, this end, we can connect to mobile phone. So let me connect. See, mobile phone is charging. So this way we can charge mobile phone using this inflator. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.